Hello. Now, good afternoon. They also not day fine. For me, I'm okay. So, I beg, wanna help me subscribe for my YouTube channel, Girl, Golden Baby Girl YouTube. I beg, wanna support me, my returning subscriber. Thank you very much. God will bless us and take support my sister and my friend. I beg my Facebook friends, wanna help me share my video so that make people see follow us for YouTube. So I'm not there. Today, e get one matter when I carry come for this platform today because this matter dey bother me so many days, like e dey bother me well. Now I wan share the problem for una. Una help me, like una just comment from comment section. Make I know wetin una think concern this thing. Yeah. So wetin dey bother me be say some men wey dey like this Europe, I no understand as dem take dey toast woman, as dem take dey talk to woman. Yes, so that is why I say make I bring am come for this platform. Una help me still help me for the story wey I wan talk today. So today I really need to sit down, no be to stand again. I wan sit down make this video so that make the video make sense. Some of man, like if they wan toast woman, wetin dem take dey come? Baby, how far na? I wan friend you because of say you are a strong lady. That one na number one. Number two, I wan friend you because of who you are. That one na number two. Number three, I wan friend you because you are beautiful and you get better everything na back and forth complete. That is why I wan friend you. Are you serious? Where some go still come, I wan friend you because God just direct me to you. Okay, these four things when I talk, una help me comment the original toasting for comment section because the thing tire me, no tire God. Why woman go say tell woman I wan friend you because of say you dey strong for hustle, like either you get work wey you dey work or short things because you dey fit dey wake up, na im make am because of that thing na im make am wan come friend you. What if the work finish? Wetin go come make am friend you? I never see man wey go toast woman go tell am say baby I wan friend you because you are a lazy woman. I wan friend you because you don do anything. That is why I wan friend you. No. Some go say I wan friend you because you are a strong woman. Yeah, I see where they come outside they hustle, like your short things, you dey go every day by day, you dey go, like work where you get, you dey go, you no be lazy woman. Na im make dem wan friend you. Friend ladies. Where some dey say I wan friend you because of who you are. Okay. Where some go say dey complain say I wan friend you because of as you package, all those package of issue. What of the work finish? What of say the lady no get money? So you no go see person wey wan friend am, or the person no get packaging, so nobody go friend am. Come on. I don't know, sha. That is why, because I dey always dey think this thing. They think as how person go say friend. If you wan friend a woman, the woman dey your eye to friend her for who you are. Just friend her. Or if you wan marry a woman, some go say I wan marry you. If you come say how far now we go come do the marriage, you go say I wan first wetin I wan pay for now. After wey you don see am, some people after wey they don see am, they go run. I no know, sha. I just say my bring the opinion, una help me. You know, say I tell una say anything, say I go dey share am for una, una dey correct me for comment section because the thing e be like say the thing too much, mostly for Europe here. I believe say for Nigeria, the thing no too much like that. If you want to woman, go straight to the point. Talk to her. If you gree. If you no gree, you leave am make dey carry your own dey waka dey go. No be you go just dey talk. You wan friend her because of who you are. You wan friend her because of she's a strong woman. You wan friend her because of packaging. What of the packaging finish? Packaging dey finish. Person fit dey feel bad like 2 weeks. E go slim down. So you come run leave am. Or person dey work, the work come finish. So you can't leave am because say you know dey work again, no dey get money again. Some wey go say God send dem come. You can't tell you say I wan friend because God send dem come for the lady. After when they don dey like 1 month, 2 months, they say, baby, I wan pay her strength, so my money no complete, my money remain 150 euro. So now God still send the man, say may he tell the girl, may give am 150 euro, wey the girl no dey work. Jesus say, abeg una no vex because the thing I just dey think the thing like dey reason the thing. I don't know why I reason am reach. So because that is why I open my YouTube. Now they see people wey beside they share my opinion for, so that I go dey tell una wey be my friend. Now still be like my family, my friend wey beside I need to talk to now. I don't know. So Muna put una opinion for that. No man, I know wetin una think. Men, I know say men dey save this my YouTube where we are beg as much as they toast. Muna still put up for comment section. Man still not say. I bet Muna no vex. They say they make me dey laugh. So man still now so that take the work out on her own because the thing me I no understand. So now wetin I get when I want tell now. Una thank una do well when una take support me for my YouTube channel. Una see the support, una see the tell friend, they tell anybody make they see support for the YouTube channel, make they see support us, make they see make the YouTube channel dey grow up. So any opinion I go bring am come out for here, una here. But the one wey woman still dey do, wey be lady still dey do, all of them I go carry am come here. So abeg una support me, una subscribe for my YouTube channel, Goldy Baby Girl. I see una view, una take dey watch, una really try well. Abeg as una dey watch, una dey comment, una dey comment, una dey like. Man, know that the video take dey go on. So for now, I wan end the video for here. So una put una opinion for that. Some ladies wey still dey say this YouTube, una still tell me as una take dey waka out because this one don pass. Be careful. I just tire how man go tell woman say I love you because you are a strong woman. Come on, don't love woman because it's a strong woman. Love woman for who he are. Love woman for who he be. Okay, now bye bye. Thank you very much. Thank you to watch my video. I really appreciate. Thank you to watch my video and thank you to support me. Thank you to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.